How to pay with Cash App in store without Cash App card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can pay with Cash App card in store without Cash App card. The first thing you want to do is open Cash App on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to enter in the amount to be paid at the store. Then you want to click on the pay button at the bottom. Then you want to ask the cashier for the store's Cash App details like phone number or cash tag username, and then enter email ID, phone number, or cash tag. In this box right here, you can also enter the remarks related to payment in this bar here. Once you are done, you want to click on the pay option. Now you will have to confirm your cash PIN, so do that. And in this way, you can pay with Cash App in store without Cash App card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.